Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you all the deals I grabbed at Walmart for the week. Guys, this is $50 worth of items that I got for less than $2. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. At the end of the video, I'm going to post tons of pictures of items that I saw on clearance while I was at the store. If you haven't noticed, I do that at the end of almost all of my videos because it gives you an opportunity to see what you might be able to find on clearance at your store as well. I also was able to hit the midweek marker bonus on Ibotta this week, so that gave me an additional $5 back on this haul. Last little announcement for you, I'm going to be talking about an app I don't think I've mentioned before, but I've used it for a while now. And there was a little offer on there that also had an Ibotta offer, so I'm excited to tell you about that app as well. Let's talk about some of the food deals first. Okay, so last week I mentioned at the beginning of my Walmart video, hey, there's a new offer that just popped up this morning, but I haven't gone to get it. And I went and got it this week. It's on the Hormel Pepperoni. It's only the hot and spicy kind. These are priced at $2.28 at my store. And Ibotta had a rebate for free after rebate, but they valued that at $2.29. So it was free and a 1-cent moneymaker. So if you haven't grabbed your freebie, definitely grab that while you're at the store. I also was trying to hit that midweek bonus, so I grabbed some mac and cheese because it's cheap. It's 88 cents, and there's a 10-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 78 cents, and it helped get me to that $5 bonus. Plus, oh no, it's always nice to have mac and cheese in the house because I know my kid will eat it. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, so if you have not heard about this rebate, I want to tell you about it. I first heard about this from Ohio Valley Couponer. Hey, I hope you're doing well and you see this. He is awesome, and if you're not following him already, you should definitely check him out. This Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I grabbed the 12 ounce. That's what my store had, and I was reading the terms of the rebate, and of all the ones that qualified, this was the only one that my store had when I was there. This is priced at $2.98. Now, you want to go to the website. It's free CTC Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I'm going to link that for you down in the video description box below, but you submit your receipt to that website. Super easy. They responded immediately. They gave me a code that I then entered back on their website. And now within less than 24 hours, I already cashed out to Venmo. I want to say they gave me the option for Venmo or PayPal, but it made it completely free. So great deal on that. So thanks to Nick for sharing that deal. Another offer that I grabbed is on this boil in bag brown rice. They have a few different varieties, but I like this because it's super simple to make. And it had two different Ibotta rebates. It had a 50-cent Ibotta rebate as well as a 25-cent bonus because I had purchased it before. So the purchase price is $2.88. I got back the 50 cents and then I got back an additional 25 cents because it's my second time purchasing it, making this box just $2.13. I also grabbed the Barilla Pasta. So I mentioned this over on my Walgreens video. They are on sale over at Walgreens. Buy one, get one free. So if you haven't checked out my Walgreens video this week, definitely do so because they have some ridiculously great deals. But at Walmart, the Barilla Pasta is priced at $1.28. There is an Ibotta rebate for Walmart for 40 cents back. But this is that other app that I was going to tell you about. There is an app called Makeena, and they have all sorts of organic produce and organic product rebates. And they've been around for a while. I can't remember how long I've been using the app, but for years I've been using it. But they also have started popping up with other non-organic rebates. So there was a rebate on this Barilla Blue Box Pasta for 25 cents back. So that made my total cost just 63 cents. So I will post my referral code down in the video description box if you want to check out Makeena. There are a ton of rebates on there. And it's been a super simple app to use. I can do a full tutorial on it for you at some point if you're interested. But know that that is an option if you want to grab an extra 25 cents back on the pasta this week. Another deal I mentioned last week and I think the week before, so this has been around for a while. It's on the Sara Lee deli meat. I grabbed another 1/4 pound of turkey at $1.88. Shopkick gave me back 600 kicks, which is $2.60, making this completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, I already have a tutorial on Shopkick, so if you want to check that out, you can find that on my YouTube channel. I'll also link it down in the video description box below. Shopkick is a great app and we get tons of stuff for free using that app as well. Grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you first sign up. Okay, more food deals. This dip, hell of a good dip, $1.98. There is a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this just 98 cents. So super, super easy deal to do and get you closer to your Ibotta bonuses. I think that's it on the food. There were a few other Ibotta rebates that I want to talk with you about before I get into the Swagbucks deals that I did this week. This Chloralin Max. So funny thing is I just used our last one the other day and I like this stuff. Like it's super convenient, the bottle. It's priced at $1.57 and there's a $1 Ibotta offer that's attaching to this, making it just 57 cents and the limit is 5. I only grabbed 3 of them, but you could grab up to 5 if this is a product that you like and you use. I also grabbed another Bic Snoop Dogg lighter. These are priced at $3.97. Shopkick has a deal for 900 kicks back. So that's at $3.60, making this lighter just 37 cents. I also grabbed the Revlon lipstick. This deal popped up yesterday for free after rebate. So the lipsticks are priced at $4.97. Ibotta's giving back $5, making it free and a little tiny moneymaker. I also grabbed the U by Kotex Click tampons. They are priced at $3.84. There is a $1.25 coupon that I will link for you. I used that coupon at checkout and I paid just $2.59. Got back $2 on Ibotta, making this 16 count pack just 59 cents. Okay, I think the remaining offers I did were Swagbucks deals. Now, Swagbucks can be a little tricky. I know a lot of people get confused with Swagbucks, so I did recently do a full tutorial on how to do magic receipts, how to shop and get cash back using Swagbucks. So if you want to check that out, I will link that for you in the video description box below. Thankfully, 2 of the 3 Swagbucks deals I did processed immediately, like at the register, processed immediately. The other one processed in less than 24 hours. So good Swagbucks week for me this week. I grabbed these Mamba Chews. These were located up by the register. They are $1.08 each. There's a Swagbucks offer for buy 3 of them, get $3 back. So I bought 3 for $3.24. I submitted my receipt right there as I was standing at the register. No one was behind me. I wasn't that person. And so I got all 3 for just 24 cents or 8 cents a piece. Never tried these before. Honestly, don't plan on trying them. I plan on regifting to someone who might enjoy them. So if you're watching my video and you know me and you love these, shoot me a text message because I will happily deliver them to you. Other Swagbucks deal. This Maybelline, so this was a deal last month at some point, and it has popped up again, and you can do it once per month. So if you haven't done it for September, you can do it now. The deal is buy any Maybelline product over $5, but you also have to spend at least $10. So I grabbed this Dream Urban Cover with sunscreen. It's priced at $10.98. I submitted for the $12 back. It immediately processed, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. This is the same product I grabbed last month. I knew it worked, so I went ahead and tried it again. And the Gel Toothpaste. So this one did not process immediately. I did have to request a review of my receipt, but like I said, less than 24 hours, the rebate had already hit my account. So these Gel Toothpaste, the mermaid kind, they are $2.47. You need to buy 2 of them. That makes the total cost $4.94. That's what I paid at the register. I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks for $4 back, making these 94 cents total, or just 47 cents each. So great deal on that if you have some little girls that might benefit from some mermaid toothpaste. Okay, that was everything for the week. Like I said, I hit that $5 Ibotta bonus, making everything less than $2. I think it was $1.79 total after all of the cash back. So awesome deals at Walmart this week. Stay tuned to the end of the video for those clearance pictures. Also, if you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Hope y'all have a fantastic rest of your week. Thanks.